HCIP-Storage V5.0 certification requires to take and pass H13-624-ENU exam. But how to pass your H13-624-ENU exam successfully? We have updated Huawei H13-624-ENU exam dumps to help you achieve this goal. The real H13-624-ENU real dumps consist of countless questions or HCIP-Storage V5.0 which are out there in PDF format. It is possible to get the 90% score that counts in your final H13-624-ENU exam. To locate the particulars for the connected H13-624-ENU brain dumps, you need to take a look at the dump space. Question number 1. Which of the following statements about snapshots is correct? A. Snapshot is the newly written data. B. Snapshot refers to a consistent data copy of source data at a certain point in time. C. Snapshot data can only be read by the host and cannot be changed. D. Snapshot is a physical copy of the complete source data. Answer. B. Question number 2. Hyper-CDP can generate more intensive recovery points for the data on the storage device. Hyper-CDP copy is a full copy backup of the source data at a certain point in time. A. True. B. False. Answer. B. Question number 3. Huawei's hyper-converged storage adopts the structure of distributed storage logic frame. Which of the following is the function of the MDC module? A. Provide hard disk management. B. Provide standard SCSI, ISCSI services for VMs and databases. C. Provide management of storage cluster status. D. Dash partition. Answer. C. Question number 4. Which of the following is the maintenance software supported by Huawei's hybrid flash storage products? A. Smart Kit. B. Ocean Store Ultra Path. C. BC Manager e-replication. D. Ocean Store ESDK. Answer. A. Question number 5. The QoS characteristics of the object service. For applications with different priorities, different buckets can be configured, and the TPS of the buckets and the allocation of bandwidth resources can be controlled through QoS. Different QoS policies can be configured for VIP tenants and ordinary tenants in the same system to ensure the quality of service for high-priority tenants. A. True. B. False. Answer. A. Question number 6. A company has a variety of services such as database applications, OLTP applications, mail service applications, and web server applications. In which of the following service scenarios does the Smart Cache feature not significantly improve performance? A. Mail service reading business. B. Web server log business. C. Database analysis business. D. OLTP data query business. Answer. B. Question number 7. Company A plans to adopt hyper-convergence to realize the rapidly changing information needs of the enterprise. Which of the following items are the architectural features of hyper-convergence? A. Business-centric scale-out architecture. B. Data-centric scale-up architecture. C. Data-centric scale-out architecture. D. Computing-centric scale-up architecture. Answer A. Question number 8. A company purchased multiple sets of Huawei distributed storage, deployed them in multiple data centers, and used object service remote replication to build a disaster recovery system. These distributed storages were planned in the same area, so this area has one and only one default cluster. Other clusters are non-default clusters. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Question number 9. A company purchased a set of Huawei distributed storage and used QoS flow control technology to control the user's I/O when deploying block services. Which mechanism can be used to manage the I/O queue? A. Token bucket. B. File bucket. C. Data bucket. D. Object bucket. Answer A. Question number 10. About the Huawei's SAMT multi-tenant technology, which of the following statement is incorrect? A. Role management is divided into preset default roles and custom roles. B. There are 3 types of authority management: read-only, write-only and read-write. C. A physical storage system can be divided into multiple virtual storage partitions, and the storage pools are shared among these virtual storage partitions. D. In role management, 3 default roles are preset for tenant groups, including tenant administrator, tenant data protection administrator, and tenant agreement administrator. Answer B.